This is a cardinal woodpecker, one of 4 woodpecker species that are found in the low veld of South Africa, the others being the bearded, the bennets and the golden-tailed. And this is the smallest species that we find there in the low veld. And he's sitting on a gum pole that has been used to mount one of the Africam cameras on, and he's hoping to find himself a few tasty morsels. We know he's a he because of the red cap he wears, the red cap that gives him his name, Cardinal. He's just probing some of those holes which it looks like he may have drilled, or one of his colleagues may have drilled a little bit earlier, and he'll be seeking out little grubs and the larvae of beetles. Perhaps those were made by wood borer beetles, and he's hoping for their larvae. He'll be using his specially adapted tongue, which extends all the way from the back of his head, to probe those holes. An attractive tapping sound he makes. You can see 2 toes facing forward and 2 toes facing back, and we call that particular arrangement of the toes zigodactyl.